Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we want to discuss remember updated state. It's a state utility function provided by Jetpack Compose. We want to use it with a combination of side effect handlers, and we'll get to know when to use it and what are the benefits we'll receive when we use remember updated state. Let's get started with our video. So first I'm going to create here a composable, naming a composable. We have state in it. Remember savable mutable state of empty string. Make sure to import it. Next we have a launch effect. Key is a unit, and I want to update my state from empty to Himanshu. Just below to it I'm going to create here one more composable, and the composable name is be composable, and in its parameter we're going to pass name. Now here we'll have a box with modifier, fill max size, and its content alignment is on the center. We have a text which shows the name. Use launch effect, key is unit, and I want to produce delay of 4 seconds, and then I want to print a log statement which shows the name. Okay, make sure to stringify this tag. Let's use be composable here and pass the name. So in the name we'll pass our state value. Let's use a composable within our scaffold. Pass the modifier, padding, inner padding, fill max size. What will happen? Logically, this particular line of code doesn't receive the updated name value because for the first time when we execute our be composable, it executed launch effect, but we are delaying it for 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, when we reach to this line, it will never have the latest value of our state. So let's execute this application and open the logcat. Alright, so app is executing. We have Himanshu. Let me just filter out this tag, Control C, Control V, and here you can see be composable, and we are actually using the name but didn't receive the name because when our be composable composes for the first time, it triggers this trailing lambda. Because our key is unit, this trailing lambda will never re-trigger again. Due to that reason, we are not able to receive the latest name in here. So the thing is how we can get the latest name within our trailing lambda without changing the launch effect key. In this scenario, you can use remember updated state. So what you can do, you can use here variable, call it state, use remember updated state. You can mention the name. Okay, so I'm saying here I want this name, it's updated state all the time. So when our composable recomposes itself this name, if it changes, it will update the state variable. Now we can use this state variable here. So just copy this, paste in here and execute it. Okay, after 4 seconds you will get to know whether it works or not. Here you can see we have be composable mutable state and the value is Himanshu. That means this time we can have the latest value within our launch effect trailing lambda even though we are delaying it for 4 seconds. So this is a use case of remember updated state. Usually we'll use remember updated state when we want to get the updated state, and usually it is used with the callbacks or with the combination of side effect handler just like we are using in here. And make sure this key is always unit to use remember updated state with the combination of your launch effect. Let's say if I change this unit to name, then it doesn't make any sense to use remember updated state because every time when our name changes, it simply triggers this trailing lambda. So there is no need of using remember updated state in this case. But in case of unit, our launch effect will only triggers the one time our trailing lambda. Next time when we update anything, it will never re-trigger the trailing lambda. In this scenario, you can use remember updated state. So this is a use case of remember updated state. Hope you got the idea. Alright, so that's it for this video. It's a very small video. We'll meet in our next video. Till that, goodbye.